Oh, and yeah, and you guys can kind of get like an outfit of the day. I have on a black bodysuit from Express. The whole back is out though. It's gorgeous. It does like this crisscross thing. Black jacket from Zara, white jeans, and my shoes. Oh, I gotta show you guys my shoes when I get back in the car. I got the, remember I told you guys I was gonna get another pair? I did. Okay. Be quiet, you guys, be quiet.
Miss Denise, I got your latte.
Hi. Hi, how are you? Very good. How you been? I know you guys are super busy today. No, it's fine. We all want the same thing. Can I get 2 iced Americanos, venti?
Any cream or sugar?
Let me do 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla in both.
Any cream?
No cream today.
What's your name, sweetie?
Tracy.
So nice.
Thank you.
Any plans for today?
Okay. What'd you say?
Any plans for today?
Any plans for today? No, well, living life and work. I know, right? Isn't that a plan? Thank you. How do you say your name? Just Sheree. Pretty name.
You can't forget that.
Oh, no, I cannot. It's a beautiful name. Excuse me. Backing up. Thank you. Hey, guys. So, we're gonna wait, and this reminds me of my vlogging days, taking you guys everywhere with me. Try to turn the camera around, guys, so that you can see how busy it is in here today. Let's do a quick turnaround. Did I show you guys? I'm like thinking on camera. Okay, let me get my stuff together, guys. I gotta put my wallet and stuff back in here. Make sure I got my card. Oh, that's what I need to do. Pick up my alterations. Wait a minute. Let's see if I can set you all up right there. Okay, there you go. Wait. No. Just trying to fall. Okay, there. My purse is junky as heck. Ooh, this ring is doing a number on my hair, darling. Okay. Oh my God, you guys, look. Jim bought these at Whole Foods the other day. They come in a pack, but they're keto bars. When I tell you these things are absolutely fantastic, look, they're called Choc Zero Keto Bar Milk Chocolate Hazelnut. Oh my! And they come in these individual packs like this. Y'all know I'm always trying to tell you guys something. Look at this. They come in individual packs. Let me see how many carbs. If I'm not mistaken, these are for this little bar like this. I have to get the package when I get home. But for this little one here, I think the total net carbs is 3. I'll verify when I get home, you guys. But this is what it looks like at Whole Foods. But it's a whole package. It's about this big, and these individual bars are in there. When I tell you delicious, I'm not kidding you guys. You're gonna thank me. You're gonna be like Tracy tells us the bomb stuff. Bomb. Well, what was I in here for? Here's the other thing I want to show you guys. I think I've narrowed it down that I'm going with this quartz as my. I haven't even been listening. Did y'all hear my name get called? Oh boy, it's so many people in here. I'm sure my order. It is a ton of people in here. I'm not sure. Is today double plates day or something? I'm not sure. But you guys, this is the quartz that I'm going with. Look at this, you guys. I don't know if it's picking up, but it is like. Let me see what's made by. Via Terra. Am I saying that right? Look at these little samples. Aren't they cute? These are free too at Home Depot. But look at this, you guys. Is it picking up? So it's like, as you can see, a light color. But then it has like these specks of silver in there. Oh my Jesus. But if you get close, can you guys see? Is the light hitting it right? Where it's like, almost like navy blue. Like little navy blue, like little specks in there as well. When I tell you this is going to be gorgeous, I can't. So then the island I showed you guys, or I think I was trying to tell you guys on the live that one day, that the island is this. I painted my island this navy blue color, right, like that, and then the cabinets all around the kitchen are all light gray. So imagine that, you guys. So the island is going to be navy blue. I mean a deep navy blue to pick up these little specks. The hardware I'm going to go with is going to be also silver, and then the cabinets are going to be light gray. The walls are like this light. What color is that called? We looked at so many colors, but you guys know the walls are all really super light. And then the floors are these wood floors, but it's like that light wood. And the different grain in it is like kind of like ivory, light brown, picking up some grays. This is just fabulous. I'm so proud of myself and just like how I created this look. It's just like so absolutely beautiful, and it's just all coming together. And so my contractor is not installing this countertop. Home Depot actually said that they include the installation with the purchase of the quartz. So you guys, if you're looking to redo your kitchen or something like that, Home Depot is doing the free install when you purchase the quartz. I don't know if that's the same thing if you're doing like granite countertops or any other kind of countertops, because we never looked into that. We only looked into quartz. So just know that if you do quartz at Home Depot right now, free installation when you purchase the quartz. This is just stunning. I cannot. That is so freaking gorgeous. Anyway, yeah, I know I get too excited. But it was all kind of different kinds of quartz there, you guys, that you would probably absolutely love. But this one, just my eye went to this right away, and I was like, this is absolutely gorgeous. The other thing is that we're not getting our appliances yet, because you guys know that all my appliances have to be Samsung, because I have that Samsung refrigerator. You guys remember that Samsung refrigerator where it's like this older lady just walked in front of me. She was walking toward me. And she's clearly like this older lady, you guys. Like, I want to say like, she's probably 75, between 75 and 80. And she was walking toward me. She has on like this monochromatic outfit. It's like all like this light beige color. And I did not know we could bring our fur babies in here. So it's all monochromatic. But when she turned toward me and was face on, like all nipples. Yeah, she looked jazzy as heck. I swear to God. When I get to be 80, that's exactly how I'm going to be. Just jazzy. Oh my God, I will show you guys her, but I don't want. That's rude. But she like squirrel bra. Okay. Now there's days like today, I won't wear a bra every day. I know TMI. But if I know I'm not going to wear a bra and I'm like got on a bodysuit like this, I'm going to make sure that I have on a blazer, right? So you don't actually get to see anything. But the fact that she's just so bold and she like, I don't give a damn. And I mean, her girls, she was walking face on. I couldn't even concentrate on nothing else. She just walking face on to me. It was like, and she's so jazzy and so freaking cute. She got her cute little shade. She got her hair up in this cute little ponytail. She got her monochromatic all beige outfit with the matching shoes. She's too cute. She got these like dangling earrings. I'm trying to give you all a description of her. Her hair is like, it looks like she just let her hair go all gray. And it's in this cute little ponytail. She's so freaking cute. See, I can barely contain myself. I want to go over there and tell her so bad. You are so freaking jazzy and cute. Oh my gosh, she is so jazzy, you guys. She has an all beige, but then she got this, I don't know what kind of purse that is, but it's this bright red, and the outfit is to die for. She probably was a shopper or something back in the day, because she got a lot of fashion. She got a lot of fashion sense. So anyway, guys, as far as our appliances, we can't get our appliances right now. We can, but when we were talking to the people in Home Depot, they were letting us know that if we can, she was like, because I was like, don't you guys usually have like some kind of deal going on if you buy like more than one appliance? Because we don't need the refrigerator, you guys, but all those other appliances that we got for the other house, you know, they stay. So we need a new stove. I really want to go with a range though. And I saw the Samsung, you know, range with the same matching like blue knobs on it. Like what are blue knobs? Oh, the stoves that I'm going to get, the ovens, also have the blue knobs. I love that about these Samsungs. So like when you turn them on, the knobs light up in this gorgeous blue. And you guys know that's like my accent color in the house is blue. And so we have to get more than one appliance. So we got to get our stove. We have to get the double ovens. We have to get the dishwasher. And I want to get a hood, the vented hood that goes over your stove. I want to get that as well. So I'm assuming that that's considered an appliance too. That's like 4 different things. What did I say? Oven, stove, hood, dishwasher. So I was like, do you guys do a package deal? Because oftentimes you guys look for that. They'll do like a package deal. I'm trying to see if they call my name. They'll do like a package deal. And when they do the package deal, it's like a bundle. So if you buy, I think it's like 3 or more appliances, then you'll get a deep discount. So when we went in there, we were like, do you guys have one of those package deals going on? And she was like, there was one, I think she said coming up in May, but she was like, it's nowhere near as good as the one that comes up for the 4th of July sales. So if you guys are looking to do some reno, she said the 4th of July sale is the as big as Black Friday. So she was like, and it starts in June. So she said, if you guys can wait until June, she said, I would wait until June because that's when the 4th of July sale starts, and that is just as big as Black Friday. She was like, you'll get really good deals. So there's appliances there now, you guys. They're just black. And so I was like, of course we can wait. And so we're going to just wait. And so we'll get the appliances and order the appliances in June. And then we'll have all of our appliances. And I'm sure, I'm just expecting that they're probably going to be on back order. You know, we're not going to probably get them exactly the same week that we ordered them. So, and I'm expecting that. There's no problem at all. I'm willing to wait as long as I can get the package deal. I'm so okay with just waiting. and wait till they all come in and get that discount because I already have appliances there. We'll just use the appliances that are there until those come in. You guys, you gotta be patient. Be patient and wait for it. Wait for it. And so we'll wait until June to get the appliances, and then better go up there and make sure my order's not there because a lot of these people look new. Go up there and make sure my order hasn't been called because my name called you guys. I'm probably gonna get a copyright strike because there's music playing. A lot of the people that were in here when I first came in here are gone. Let's go see. Let's go check on our order, guys. Doesn't look like my orders are up there, so let's wait for it.
Whose remaining cup is this? The green one or the cup? What's your name? Ruth. What's your name? Ruth? Peter, we got your iced coffee coming up. This one's second, probably like 5 seconds or 10.
That is so funny that the day that I brought you guys in here is the day that that it's just there were so many people. I've never seen this many people in here on not in this particular Starbucks. What time is it? I came around the same time, so
Tracy.
one Tracy. I got 2 of them.
Tracy.
All right, perfect.
Need 2 straws?
No straws. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Oh, I don't want that to go off. I don't want you guys to go off. Okay. Okay, I got my Americano directly on top of you guys. I got my Americano. Oh, please don't go off the camera. You know I'm trying to try something new today. Oh, it's windy. Can you guys hear the wind? Hello, Matthew. Matthew said, your chariot awaits.